Hello students, today I'll be showing you how to log in and use Book Creator. First of all, to log in, we'll be using our student Google accounts. We'll be clicking on our student Google accounts and logging in as students. Because I am a teacher, I'll be continuing as a teacher, but you will be using a student account. To start off, you'll be coming up into the top right corner to this yellow button to create a new book. Students, you're able to pick what shape you would like your book to be. Today, Miss Pitts will be using a portrait shape. Now, this is our blank canvas of our book, and we can start creating what we would like our book to look like. Students, your book will be based on what you've done in a day. I will be basing my book on our literacy block. First of all, I'll be coming up to this plus sign and creating our front title. Now we can type in our title. So my title for my book is going to be called Our Literacy Block. And going down and pressing done, there is our front title. Now, to add a photo onto our front cover, you'll come back up to this plus sign and press the button Import. This is how you'll collect your photos. Your photos, students should have already put onto the computer in a previous class in a folder that's easily accessible with all the photos together. Here are the photos that I could use to add to my book. I'll be using this photo here called Literacy Block. So I'll click on this photo and then press Open. This will start uploading the photo onto Book Creator for me to add to my cover. Once it's finished uploading, I will then be able to move around the photo to where I would like it to be on the front cover. Now, you can use whatever photos that you've collected and place them as you wish on your front cover and in your book. Once you are happy with where you've placed your photo, you can leave it like that, and then we can keep going and adding onto the other pages. Students, you can go back and add what you would like. There is a plus sign, the plus sign up here. You can add more text, or you could add some drawings. So we can choose what pen we would like, and we can create a drawing. Because our literacy block was focused on the letter F, I'm going to draw some Fs onto my front page. Once I'm happy with that, and I press the done button, they will be uploaded and I can move them as I'd like. I'll put them there on my front cover. Once you're happy with your front cover, you can then press this arrow that's on the right side of the page, and that will allow us to continue to add onto our pages. In our pages of our book, we can add our text by pressing that plus sign again and pressing the text button, and we can add our text. So on the first page of our book, I'm going to write, today we focused on the letter F for our literacy block. Now, students, we need to make sure that we're checking our spelling, and it is easier to have written down what we want to say in our book so that we are not trying to correct it on the computer. So there you go. There's our text for our first page of the book, and then we can add a photo again by pressing the plus sign, import files, and we were focusing on the letter F. I might add that literacy block photo again. And as it uploads, we can then move that photo to how we would like it. If that photo is a little bit too big, we can make it smaller so that it fits nicely on our page. Perfect. So we can shrink that photo down so it fits nicely on our first page. Perfect. Now I'll show you how to do one more page. So we come up to our plus sign. We are going to write some text. And then once we found out what we were focusing on, we began by reading the book, The Fearsome, Frightening, Miss Pitt's forgotten. Fearsome, Frightening, Ferocious Box. Perfect. Now we'll add that onto our third page of our book and then add a picture to go with it. So up to File and then pick your picture. Perfect. Now we can make the pictures smaller by pulling down on the right on any of the corner little dots, making them small enough to fit on our page. All right. Now that's where I'm going to stop with my book, but obviously all you students will have quite a few more pages explaining what you have done in the day. Now, once you have finished creating your book, you can then come up into this right-hand corner plus sign and you can watch your book. So you can have somebody read to you and they can read your book for
Our
you.
literacy blog. Today we focused on the letter F from C. We began by reading the book The Fearsome, Frightening, Ferocious Box.
Perfect. So all students will be creating their book. You can go into your library in the book creator and see your book. And once we are all finished with our books, we will then be able to share our books and we may print some of our books out as well. But we will start by adding our photos and creating our pages. Thank you.